Hi folks, there's Dumper there, I'm laughing. We're all laughing today. I don't know how it is. Now you don't think Dumper's retired, he's still watching out for you fly tippers. Anyway, this is a wee Friday update. I must thank Claire Foy and her husband Gary for being very, very patient with it. That's it, Claire, everyone's back now. The ball's now in our court. The production there, you see all the frames are back. We're now in the process of sanding them all down. We'll get them all painted, undercoated. Maybe this is a 3-stage process for the painting. So that's it, we sand them, undercoat them, paint them and paint them, right? So that's it, Claire. Your job is now on target. There's the big hindies here, right? This is Gary's doors for Debbie. Debbie Windsor, who used to be in the Carry On films, in Prestwick and Lattacourt. And anyway, and also, I've got to give a mention today to Mick Kev, the hired man. Now, he says to me, well, give me a mention, just say Kev, the hired man. So I don't even know who he works for. So Kev, the hired man, who I met in Prestwick today, hello Kev. I was like, Kevin, no, here's another thing too. Yesterday, I did my duty, and I blocked the traffic for James Gorman, right? The James had sent a message here, and I've got, run down by the way, folks, I'm not going to tell you lies, I've got to, because that much in my head, that many folk come up to me. So James Gorman, to say hello to Pim at Penkill Sawmill in Wigton. Now it would be better still if I get invited down there to see what happens down at Penkill Sawmill, and we could do a wee video update to let the people see the process when the tree comes off the lorry and it goes into the sawmill. What happens? I know what happens, I've done that, but it would be good to see all my followers out there to see that. So Penkill Sawmill or Penkill down in Wigton, which is doing that way some way. There you are, look at there's Frederick, look at that. Guest appearance with Frederick. And if you're good, he maybe come down to Penkill Sawmill. Get back to me down there in Wigton. See you all there, folks. I don't think I forgot anybody. And let's hope Greg doesn't laugh.